Hello. You know, I gotta get back into using the CNC again, clean up my area a little bit, and get familiar with the machine again, because we're gonna be doing the Franken-Cube here pretty quick, so I want to get it ready. So my first project is gonna be the Guru sign. Take a look. Gonna cut this piece out of wood just to get back into things. Hang out with me and we'll get started. These are pieces of foam that I had backing up my CNC table. I like to use foam so I'm not cutting into the table with my expensive bits. Just trying to get this all cleaned up so we can use it today. It's been sitting here for weeks. And I've really been wanting to use it, but time gets in the way. And I'm also trying to put my shop back together here. That's another thing that happens, is you start piling junk in the room, and then before you know it, you got more junk than you need. Okay, I have my spoiler board cut in this pink foam. Now I've got to hook it down to the table. A spoiler board allows me to cut into the piece without ruining my table. I do in the foam instead. Double-sided tape. It's about the best. The reason why this table is pocketed out like this is it's leveled. Probably best just like that. So X is 0. Put this tape on. You gotta be kidding me. Wow. Hiding. Take the backing off the tape. Use a pin. Sometimes you just have to work it. Doesn't happen in 2 seconds sometimes like you want it to. Tedious. You know, this machine and stuff takes time. Other people have videos up there and they make it look like they cut this thing out in 2 minutes. The truth of the matter is, there's a lot of prep. If you're making a piece that you want to keep anyway. Alright. Here's X marks the spot. Yay. Look at that. We have a new surface to cut on. And a new battery in our light. Wonderful. Wonderful. That's the bit we're going to use. I'm going to change the router bit. This is the material I'm going to be using to cut it in, just as an experiment. Sign Art Products. It's a 3015. It's a sign foam. Don't know much about it except it was a sample that was sent to me, and it's an 8x8, so I'm going to use it up. Here we go. So I'm zeroing out the accesses for that little corner right there. Now that I've installed the new bit and the material, I've got to adjust this height. My grounding clip. I have my touchpad hooked up to my table here. That's what I was using. I've got pin 15 of the parallel port hooked up to it, so I just zeroed out my thing. So I should be able to go to 0 and see what happens. Perfecto. Almost ready to run the program. Okay, here we go. I have a question for any geniuses out there. How come everything that I get needs AAA batteries? I never have AAA batteries. Haha, the battery box. No. No. Nope. 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 It's not looking good, kids. Hey, look. Ah, hang on. So I had to walk a mile uphill both ways in the rain, but I scored these batteries. And lunch. We're getting closer. Oh man, now I'm tired out and don't feel like doing nothing. Ugh. Oh, come on. Yeah. Yeah, I've always hated AAA. I mean, why can't you use a AA? It must be the new law of the land that all manufacturers cannot use AAA unless the device is smaller than the battery. Well, I guess that wouldn't work for it, but you know what I mean. Annoying. So this is a little LED light that I picked up a couple years ago, and it works great for pointing down here at my cut, but it needs batteries, so there we go. That's a lot better. And it rigs on here so that I don't even have to hook it down or anything. It's Kind of nice. Show you how it goes on this bad boy. Just slides. I've got a bracket here for my vacuum system. It fits right like that. Like that. Oh, look at that. She's a beauty. Get closer now. Gotta cut some foam. Okay, I'm making progress. I found the coffee. I found this razor blade. I found my foam. Has anybody seen my tape measure? And she wants to go outside. She wants to go outside. You want to go outside? Sit still. You want to go outside? Yeah, she really needs business. She can't get through the door with her peanut butter, so she's waiting for me. Yep, she loves it. Alright. There's 20. A lot easier if I had my tape measure, I'll tell you that. Making me work. A lot of work, kid. What do you think? Looks pretty snazzy. Hope you liked it. I'll see you next time. Hey guys, this is Steve. Thanks for watching. Hey, don't forget to subscribe if you like this video, and be sure to rate and comment. See ya.